Well, here's our next task, another silver EP3. All 3 cars booked in today are silver EP3s. So we're making some power on the old silvers today. Let's get this one on the dyno, get it strapped, get a stock power run out of it, and then start tuning, see what it makes. Okay, so she's made 212 brake horsepower, which is a great starting figure. So we're going to see how we can improve upon that. Richard's in the car, readying himself to do some more work, aren't you, Richard? Has it got a goldfish or not?
No, no goldfish. I'm just going to erase the ECU and then we shall start with our base file for these mods.
Fantastic.
And we'll see where we go from there.
Okay, man. So as you can see, we've got an AM induction kit, stock inlet manifold. We've got a 4-to-1 decat and exhaust system, so we shall find out at the end exactly what exhaust system that is. But yeah, here we go, look at that. Another silver one. Well, there's another one in the bag, another silver EP3 tuned up. We've made nearly 50 brake horsepower in the mid-range, and I believe we're ending on 227 brake horsepower. Yeah, your typical sort of EP3 mod, so your induction kit, which on this car is an AEM one, and then we've got your 4-to-1 decat and exhaust system. What exhaust system is it? Do we know?
I don't know.
What exhaust is it on this?
Solid fab super silent.
Solid fab super silent. Good stuff. So yeah, so this is going to go around, stomp around a track now. I noticed he's got a poly engine mount there, or gearbox mount. Right, I'm looking for my colleague, Richard.
Yeah, bear with me.
Bear with him. Bear with him. He's a busy man, you know. He's very, very busy all of the time. And he's super important as well. Super important. There's a hierarchy here. So I'm yet to find out where I am.
Yeah,
on that
you're at the top,
hierarchy.
not at the bottom, shoveling shit.
Well, shit rolls downhill, Rich. So if I'm at the top, you're shoveling it. Come on, man.
Hold on, I'm doing my stuff. I'm doing the things that I need to do. You know, like the list of things that I need to do. Like put the ECU back,
Yeah,
unplug the plugs on the barrel, come over here to finish the video.
There we go.
Print stuff off over
I
there.
only wanted to see you with the video, that's all, mate. Sorry. Come on. I've covered everything.
Come on, it's
now,
all
anyway.
right.
I've covered everything
all right.
now.
What you get is he's grouchy because he's hungry. That's what's wrong with him.
But I've got to stop Ubering McDonald's.
I think he's on his period this week.
Yeah,
he's
I am. I eat a lot.
He's done nothing but comfort eat this week.
I eat a lot when I'm on my period.
Yeah, like yesterday
You
he
probably
had
can't
his
say
breakfast, and then he had like a sandwich, and then he had McDonald's for his lunch.
I had like a Hobbit second breakfast.
Yeah, and then he had McDonald's for his dinner. I don't know why he had his tea for his tea last night, but you know. Toast. There you go. So he didn't have a proper dinner last night, which is
Probably why I'm starving now.
probably fair enough. It's probably why he's starving right now. But either way, it isn't helping his mood. Let's put it that way. So yeah,
What I want is one of them Star Trek replicators. So you just go to the replicator and you say what you want. Tea, Earl Grey, hot, and it just gives it you. That's what I want.
Well, we're miles away from that.
Yeah,
When was Star Trek? You know, when Star Trek was on in the 70s and 80s, when was that actually set? What year? Are we actually about that year that it was set?
I believe, right, that the first Star Trek movie with Captain Kirk in it was set 300 years after the Voyager satellite was sent out.
Well,
no, that was Voyager 6, and that doesn't exist, does it? It's about 1,000 years
in front of us.
in front of us.
Oh, we can't even say it's on that timeline. We should have all been riding around in spaceships by now, anyway, shouldn't we?
Like the Jetsons.
Yeah. Should we have a look at the graph? We've rambled on a little bit here, haven't we?
I'm just getting really... Yeah, let's look at the graph, because this is great cover. Well, as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Gains across the range there. Revved it out a little bit further, lowered the Vtec a little bit, and we've got a 50 brake horsepower gain in the mid-range. It's done really, really well. It sounds great, and that's probably one of the best flaming videos that I've made. So 227 brake, which is 187 at the wheel. Now we're going to get on with another silver EP3. So we'll see him on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.